Hello everyone and welcome back to Cooking with the Darlings. In today's video we are making something truly special, no-peel persimmon jam. It's vibrant, honey sweet, and the best part, we are keeping the skins on for extra color and nutrients. In this recipe we are using about 700 grams of small, very ripe persimmons. Just wash them well, remove the stems, and chop them into quarters. Don't worry about the skins, they are going to melt right into the jam as we cook. If yours have seeds, make sure you remove them. Into the pan they go with a quarter cup of water. We will let they simmer on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. You will see them start to break down and release all those beautiful juices. No fancy tools needed here, just a wooden spoon and a little heat. As the skins break down, they release all that pigment, giving the jam this stunning deep orange glow. It's simple and rustic. Add 1 cup of sugar and a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Turn the heat down to low and let it simmer for about half an hour. You will know when it's ready when it's thick and glossy. If you prefer, stir in a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that extra warmth, and you are done. Transfer the jam to clean and sterilized jars and enjoy it on toast or with your favorite cheese. Look at that color and texture, it's amazing what a simple stir can do. By the way, did you know that persimmons are also known as Caqui in many countries? Whatever you call them, they make the most incredible preserve. It's so versatile. Try a generous spoonful in your morning yogurt or even use it as a filling for cakes or pastries. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to Cooking with the Darlings for more easy and simple recipes. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye for now!